are doing a VR Kiddos video on Fun Monkey Horror.
We couldn't do it, unfortunately, with Ben because he's too scared to do it. And also he's offline.
And he's offline.
Let's go! Alright, everyone come in, and then we'll do the intro. Get out! We are now in Fun Monkey Horror. Yay! Let's go!
Which one should
Oh,
we
shoot!
do? We're in Fun Monkey Horror.
You guys want to do Skyscraper?
Yeah, let's go Skyscraper. No, okay.
Bro, I'm sticking to the floor. What is this?
Alright, everyone stick together. Do you guys want to go to Top Bridge? Top Bridge.
Please.
Should we go Top Bridge? Alright.
Where did Cole go?
He's stuck!
You can barely hear him.
Is bro hiding under his bed? Oh my god! Go up! Go Top Bridge.
Go upstairs.
Go Top Bridge. Is bro just going under his bed or something? Alright, whereabouts is the bridge?
Hi guys.
Oh, it's really high. Alright, everyone keep going up. The reason why we haven't been posting in a while is because we just didn't really like Gorilla Tag, and we were just
like addicted to Orion Drift and all of that.
And we were focusing on school and stuff. I think we'll be posting at least like once a month.
I'm at the very top. Oh jeez! Ah!
We ain't nowhere near a
I
boy.
went back down. Yo, I see Miguel. He's over there. You're on the bridge. I'm not on bridge anymore. Oh. Where? Oh shoot, that's the monster. Yo! I bet you lost tracking. I bet you. I could try dive onto the bridge if you want.
No, because if we die, no, Josh, if we die, we're gonna teleport. No, look, jump to the lower bridge.
Oh god. Oh, I just fell all the way to the bottom and respawned.
Where?
I just jumped off bridge and I. Oh! Where did he go?
Please.
Oh!
We had to change the game as our game was very laggy on Fun Monkey Horror, so then we just changed the game to Scary Baboon.
Same, bro, my game's so laggy now.
Oh, sorry!
Let's go. Josh, why are you closing it? Why are you squeezing, bro? Hey, open it up. Oh my god. Let them go.
Right, let them go.
Ever since I was a kid,
Ready? As soon as they go, we run.
Look at it, closing it. Why are you closing it?
Keep it open.
Open it, mate.
Why are you
closing it?
What do you mean? You're closing it.
It's closed right now. Keep it open. Look, it's open.
It's not open.
It's not open.
Oh my god, bro's headset ain't headsetting anymore.
Bro's headset's cooked. You're not allowed.
What is wrong with bro's
Look,
headset?
it's closed, Josh. It's closed.
I have all of the monsters on me! I dropped my controller!
The monsters.
Oh my god!
Bye-bye.
They're all gone. Get to the elevator, it's safe.
Who's the place on ball? Who's the place on ball?
Come to the elevator.
Get away from my
Guys, follow me, quickly. In the elevator, it's a safe zone. Whew. Nah, just go.
Josh! Bruce simping up for Josh again.
Alone time. We're in the elevator.
It's a safe zone in here. Don't go down, don't go down! I'm disabled.
Everybody run!
I can't!
Why are they following us?
There's one there. I can hear it. Go away, Joe! Stop following me! It's easy, it's tired of you, bro. We're stuck in the elevator. He goes, I'm stuck! Hi, Miguel.
Could somebody press the button, please?
Miguel, keep your hands up, okay? Or it's gonna glitch. Whew. Oh, you gonna go come back for the first one, mate? Yeah, have a look. Hey, come. Where are the rest? Okay, guys, follow me. Let's go.
Up now because my headset's very low.
Once we all die.
No, come on, just go. Follow me.
Stay in the safe zone.
No, go back,
As
go
soon
back,
as
go
you
back, go
die,
back.
stay.
Go back, go back. Yeah, once.
I'm dead.
Joe died.
Alright.
Thank you for watching our
up.
Scary Baboon video.
Thank you for
Hope you have a
watching,
great
yeah.
day.
Guys,
Don't
hello.
forget to like and subscribe.
you.
Yeah! Yeah!